If you've seen the ChatGPT error in message stream meaning and you're wondering what it is and how to fix it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to solve this issue step by step so you can get back to chatting without the frustration. This is usually a temporary problem, and in many cases, the fix is simpler than you think. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and AI tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first fix is the fastest one, and honestly, it solves the problem most of the time. Click Regenerate, or if that doesn't work, just send the message again. A lot of the time, the error happens because the response stream got interrupted, so retrying the request gives ChatGPT a fresh chance to complete the answer properly. If you want a simple rule to remember, retry solves it most of the time. If that doesn't work, move on to your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the message stream and cause this error. Refresh the page first and see if that clears it up. If the issue continues, switch from Wi-Fi to a hotspot, or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi, depending on what you're using. You can also restart your router if your connection seems unstable. Even a quick network reset can make a big difference when the stream keeps failing. Next, try starting a new chat. Long conversations can sometimes get too heavy, and the stream may break during extended sessions. If your current chat has a lot of back and forth, click New Chat and ask your question again from scratch. This gives ChatGPT a clean session and often fixes hidden conversation issues that build up over time. If you've been working in the same thread for a while, this is one of the best things to try. Another very effective fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can cause loading problems or session conflicts that affect ChatGPT. Go into your browser settings, open the privacy section, and clear your browsing data. You don't always need to wipe everything, but clearing cached files and cookies can remove corrupted session data that may be triggering the error. After that, reload ChatGPT and test it again. If the issue still isn't gone, try using Incognito Mode. This is a great troubleshooting step because it removes many browser extensions and stored session issues from the equation. Open a private or incognito window, sign in again if needed, and try the same prompt. If ChatGPT works fine in incognito, that usually tells you the issue is related to your normal browser session, extensions, or saved cookies rather than ChatGPT itself. That leads us to the next fix: disable VPNs and browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, and VPN tools, can interfere with how ChatGPT loads or streams responses. If you have a VPN running, turn it off and try again. Also disable suspicious or recently added extensions one by one, then refresh the page and test the chat. Sometimes one small extension is enough to break the message stream and cause the error. And finally, if none of the earlier steps work, the issue may simply be on the server side. When ChatGPT servers are busy or experiencing temporary load problems, you can see message stream errors even if everything on your device is fine. In that case, the best thing to do is wait and try again in 1 to 5 minutes. A short pause is all it takes for the service to recover and start responding normally again. So to quickly recap, your best fixes are: click Regenerate, check your internet, start a new chat, clear cache and cookies, try Incognito Mode, disable VPNs and extensions, and if needed, wait a few minutes and retry. If this video helped you understand the ChatGPT error in message stream meaning and how to fix it, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.